I've been here at Element since we started. I look after everything that isn't engineering so the guys can focus on their core strengths. Things from finance to HR, safety, contracts, keeping everything behind the scenes running smoothly. In my previous role, I was an operations either manager or supervisor for 7 years. I dealt a lot with big companies, their policies, procedures, and also the politics that sometimes comes with big companies. The company I worked for had over 400,000 employees, but personally I looked after a group of 300, and each of them was on a small site that there were maybe 20 at a time. So it was almost like a small business within a big business. So that's really allowed me to bring a lot of that to Element, see from a big picture where things can go wrong, but also all the great things that these big companies do and where we can sort of draw on that and bring it into our own business. Big business mentality within a small business. My job as the operations manager is to make sure that everything is handled so that everybody in a technical role can do what they need to do without having to worry about anything else. The thing that I love most about my job is being able to help people. Knowing when something needs to be done, executing it, and then for somebody to sort of be like, oh wow, that's done already, like that's just made my life easier. The most difficult part of my job is when Ayrton has a really big pie in the sky idea and I have to help him work out how we're going to get there. It's obviously super rewarding and I couldn't think of anything else I'd rather be doing, but it can be difficult at times because we do have a lot that we need to juggle and manage. We are a one-stop product development shop. If you've got a great idea, we can firstly tell you whether or not it's actually going to be feasible, and then we can help you develop that idea all the way from the ground up. I don't think there's many other places, let alone in Australia, but in the world that you can go to and you can get it all done under one roof. It's very evident when you walk through the door that we're a family business, and for Ayrton and I, every person that works for us is a part of our extended family. Quite often it can be a little bit of an awkward dynamic with, the director is one and then his wife is also senior management, So personally, I try and go out of my way to make sure people feel comfortable. They're always feeling welcomed, they're feeling heard, they feel that they can come to us with anything. And I can actually say in the past, when people have had concerns or issues that you probably wouldn't think they would normally come to you about, I've been approached. We don't want anybody to not want to come to work because at the end of the day, you don't get the best out of people when they don't want to be here.